train your English voice to use might in sentences. We use might to talk about things that we are not 100% sure about, things that are only possibilities. Let's have a look at this example. Adele is winning a Grammy this year. That means they are 100% sure about this. But Adele might be winning a Grammy this year. This means it's only a possibility. Another example, I might go to the museum on Saturday. It's a possibility. If we want to make a negative sentence, we can add not after might. For example, I, you, they, we, he, she, or it. Might or might not, plus infinitive, for example, do, eat, win, or go, etc. For example, Adele might not be winning a Grammy this year. Or she might not go with me to the museum on Saturday.